Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from DesignSense Software Technologies. In this video, I am going to talk about the benefits of BricsCAD Maintenance. So first, let me explain what is BricsCAD Maintenance. This is nothing but the annual maintenance contract or the AMC plan as we users in India know. Why BricsCAD Maintenance is important is because this is your lowest cost of ownership of the software. So if you are looking at a 5-year life cycle of BricsCAD, the cost of BricsCAD maintenance is only 20% of the full cost. This means that over a period of 5 years, you are only paying 20% each year to stay current on the version of BricsCAD. On the other hand, if you skip maintenance for 2 or 3 years or even 4 years, then you will end up paying 60 or 80% or even the full price. And in addition to that, for all these 4 years that you have not had maintenance, you would have had no support from BricsCAD. You would have had no ability to transfer the license from one computer to another, and you would also have no support when your computer crashes or if you have a hard disk failure and so on. So this is the reality and the real economics of having a maintenance plan or not having a maintenance plan. In the beginning, it may look like you have saved some money by not going for maintenance for 2 years, but in a 5-year period, you will end up paying the same amount, because at some point or other, for everyone, there is always a hardware failure or there is always a request to move the server from one system to another or move the computer or change the office or so on. So for whatever may be the reason, having a maintenance plan really helps in these kinds of situations. So I would really request you to consider going for maintenance, because this is really the wisest decision you can take, and you will realize this after a period of 2 or 3 or 5 years. This is the lowest cost of ownership of BricsCAD in your entire life cycle of using BricsCAD. Thank you.